What if I told you there's a racing event where 11,000 horsepower cars launch faster than a fighter jet on takeoff? A place where speed junkies, precision tuners, and fearless drivers gather for the ultimate showdown. That event is the U.S. Nationals, the biggest, baddest drag race on the planet. Held every year in Indianapolis, it's more than just a race, it's a battlefield for legends. The roar of engines, the scent of burning rubber, the pressure of one shot at glory, it's pure adrenaline. And if you've never experienced it, buckle up, because this is a wild ride into racing history. Let's dive into what makes the U.S. Nationals the Super Bowl of drag racing. Stick around as we explore the highs, the heartbreaks, and the insane speeds that define this legendary race. Whether you're a longtime NHRA fan or just curious about fast cars, there's something here for you. We'll break down how the event works, who the biggest names are, and why winning here means everything. This isn't just another weekend race. It's the crown jewel of drag racing. You'll hear stories of underdogs shocking the world and veterans proving why they're the best. Plus, we'll answer questions you might have like, what's so special about drag racing anyway? Trust me, you'll walk away with a new respect for the fastest quarter mile in motorsports. The U.S. Nationals, often called the Big Go, is the most prestigious event in the NHRA drag racing calendar. It takes place every Labor Day weekend at Lucas Oil Indianapolis Raceway Park. This isn't your local drag strip. It's 5 full days of the fastest cars and the fiercest competition. From top fuel dragsters to funny cars and pro stock machines, every class is packed with talent. Fans travel from all over the country just to witness this motorsport spectacle. Racers see it as the one race you must win to etch your name in history. It's not just about speed, it's about legacy. Let's talk about what kinds of cars line up at the U.S. Nationals. The main attractions are the top fuel and funny cars, insanely powerful machines that hit over 330 mph. These monsters go from 0 to 100 in less than a second. Then there's Pro Stock, where every horsepower counts and driver skill really shines. You'll also see Pro Stock motorcycle, Super Stock, and Sportsman classes, each with its own style and drama. Whether it's nitro-fueled madness or tightly regulated mechanical battles, there's always action. Each class has champions, rivalries, and surprise underdogs ready to shake things up. The first U.S. Nationals took place in 1955 in Great Bend, Kansas. Back then, drag racing was still a new sport, mostly happening at abandoned airstrips. The NHRA wanted to create a single event that would bring the best of the best together. Over the years, the Nationals moved to different cities before finding its forever home in Indy in 1961. Since then, it's grown into a massive event with TV coverage, sponsorships, and serious prize money. What started as grassroots racing became a global motorsport showcase, and it still holds on to that raw, gritty, all-or-nothing spirit. Ask any drag racer what race they'd want to win, and most will say Indy. The U.S. Nationals isn't just about prize money, it's about respect. Win here and you're remembered forever. Careers have been made at this track, and some dreams have been shattered in the final round. Even for multi-time champions, a U.S. Nationals win means something extra. It's the race where pressure is highest, competition is fiercest, and the fee, margin for error, is razor thin. To win here is to conquer the very soul of drag racing. Over the decades, this race has seen some unforgettable moments, like Don Garlett setting revolutionary speed records and redefining the sport, or John Force, the king of funny cars, battling back from crashes to claim victories. In 2008, Tony Schumacher pulled off a miracle with a last-second win nobody saw coming. And in 2020, Erica Enders proved she was still a pro stock force by dominating the field. These moments don't just entertain, they inspire new generations of racers. Every year brings a new chance to witness history. You might be wondering, how do these cars even survive the insane power they use? Top fuel dragsters can make over 11,000 horsepower, enough to light up a small town. Their engines are rebuilt after almost every run, just to stay in one piece. Why do drivers wear fireproof suits and oxygen masks? Because one wrong move and it's a fireball. How long is the track? Just 1,000 feet for nitro classes. That's all it takes to go 330 plus mph. How do you win? It's simple. Be the fastest and don't foul. But making it look that easy takes years of skill and nerves of steel. One of the best parts of the U.S. Nationals is the fan experience. Unlike many other motorsports, drag racing lets fans get close. You can walk the pits, meet the drivers, and watch teams wrench on engines right in front of you. There's a real community vibe. Families, gearheads, and casual fans all blending together. People camp out, grill, and make a full weekend of it. Some have been attending for decades. It's a tradition passed down. It's not just a race, it's a reunion. Behind the speed and smoke are real people with real dreams. Some racers mortgage their homes just to make it to Indy. Others deal with heartbreak, engines blowing up, red light starts, or losing by inches. And then there are those tears of joy when the underdog wins it all. You see the emotions raw and unfiltered at the finish line. It's what makes this race feel so human. Everyone there knows this race matters. Even if you're not a hardcore motorsports fan, the US Nationals has something for you. It's about passion, precision, speed, and the pursuit of greatness. It's a celebration of engineering, courage, and pure determination. The stories are real, the stakes are sky high, and the sound will rattle your bones. It's not just racing, it's a drama unfolding in thousandths of a second. So the next time Labor Day rolls around, remember, Indy is where legends are made, and now you know why the US Nationals is the greatest drag race on Earth.